All right, guys, this could be it. For 2472, we need to get to 2479, I think. No, this is only 5 points. We have to win this one and the next game. Then we'll do it. Highest splits rating ever. We'll see if we can achieve this. Bishop f5. Or e6. Yeah, that's a move, but I think it is a move. I think it is a move. But nobody ever plays it. I'm going to go here, get out of the pin. Come over here. Big time advantage. Really big time advantage. Oh, I guess this guy's playing like a standard game or something. This is interesting. All right, yeah, we should have like some kind of attack here, right? Let's go rook here. Set up the triangle. Come over with the queen or the bishop or the knight or the queen and the rook. Now it's a serious threat. Here we're going to take it. G6. Maybe bishop G5. Rook F1. What should I do against G6? Got to get rid of the knights. Yeah, probably Rook F1. Can't really move this to attack me unless you go here, but then probably just move my queen. Maybe here. Can I sack the queen? Takes... Can I actually sack the queen? It's kind of tempting. Probably shouldn't do that. Not if I want to win, right? He's got 30 seconds. I don't need to get crazy. I don't really see a checkmate, so... Oh! That would be a bad pre-move. Yeah, 5. Kind of expected something like that. Let's just go back. We can just win this one on time. We have so much time. This guy's really slow, so... Trade. I don't really want to trade, but... Actually, I do want to trade. I just want to watch out for these tricky moves here, so... What should I do about that? Just go back and offer the trade now. 3-6, 3-6. It's even. I have so much time. I have so much time. Go here. Take a pawn. Take another pawn. Get a rook. Good game, friend. Let's see. Let's get another rook. We get 2 rooks. Oh, okay, I didn't see that. Did not see that one. Okay, good game. This is it, folks. One more win. One more win and we could have it. Should I play this person again if they'll play me? They're kind of slow. I think we can beat them again. I think we can beat them again. Queen F3 pre-move. Interesting. Very interesting. C3. What am I going to play? I guess knight F6. Bishop B5. Okay. Let's get the knight out first, and then we'll come here next. Or we could do that, maybe. Okay, he stops that. Double attack here. Wait, what? It's a gambit? It's a sacrifice? Castles E6. I think we're just up a pawn. I guess I could play bishop D7 too. No, I gotta defend this, right? I gotta defend that. Okay. I'm actually threatening to just take that now. Take it here. I don't know what white's going to do. G4. I think we're going to do it, guys. I think we're going to do it. As long as we don't blunder something here. We've got a good position. We've got a huge lead on the clock again. Bishop D4. So he defends the knight. Attacks here. Interesting. Maybe I just go back. He wants to play G5 on me. Okay. So G5, what do I do? Interesting. It's a pretty good move, actually. Maybe I have to sack the G-pawn. I don't really see another move. Wow, okay. Guess it's not over just yet. I didn't see how strong that was going to be. That's why you don't celebrate too early, folks. You don't celebrate too early. Can I actually take that first? Checkaroo. And then we go here. I want to get rid of this bishop. This is kind of annoying. I think we're going to play a6 next. If I have time. Or do we have d4? But he's going to take if I do d4. Yeah. Probably shouldn't do it. He's going to run out of time. He's going to flag here in a minute. Takes. I don't want to open up the rook. Let's just go back. Let's go with a6. You can take that if you want. I'm going to go with Knight here. Probably we trade. Another knight. Bishop, castle. What do I want to do? Let's go here. 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 That's not going to be good enough, my friend. Yes. All right. Let's take a look at the game review on the game that brought us to the highest blitz rating ever. 87, not bad. Where's my thing at here? Let me show you guys that. Pretty good for a blitz game. Few inaccuracies, but overall, pretty proud of that. 2482. I guess we could try to go for 2500, but I think we'll save that for another night. I might just quit here and be happy that I'm at a decent rating. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you've recently hit a new all-time high. Put it in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Stay sharp, play smart, take care.